In our glasses is our Olerasay straw wine, one of our most age-worthy, special, and critically acclaimed wines made from old vine, dry-farmed Chenin Blanc. It's received up to 99 points internationally.
Every year we make a vintage straw wine, but what makes the Olerasay special is that it's fractionally blended in a Solera style from our vintages back to 2008. To make this wine, we need to work with our freshest Chenin vineyard that has the most natural acidity. So that comes from the granite soils of the Paardeberg. And the acidity of this wine is the key to the incredible ageability.
We pick the Chenin Blanc at normal ripeness levels and we dry the grapes outdoors in the shade for about 3 weeks. And that drying process allows moisture to evaporate out the grapes, concentrating the flavor, the sugar, but most importantly, the acidity. And that's really the secret of any sweet wine.
So this is a very slow wine to process. Obviously it's drying for several weeks. When we bring it to the winery, it takes 2 days to press. It then takes a year to ferment. And because it's fractionally blended from 2008 onwards, in all of those years, you have an additional concentration process as the wine is slowly evaporating in the barrel. But with each year of blending back the new vintage, it refreshes the wine as well.
So you can imagine by blending all these vintages together, the wine develops a lot of complexity over that time. So on the nose, you're going to pick up a lot of the same elements you would in our vintage straw wine. So notes of citrus, sort of marmalade, you'll get dried fruits, apricots and peaches. You also get a lovely marzipan and almond character. But all of these are just a lot more layered and intense than in the vintage straw wine. And on the palate, it has the same weight and freshness, but you'll find the sugar might be just a little bit more resolved. And the wine has this amazing length after you've finished swallowing it. So wine with a lot of complexity and layers of flavor.
So I absolutely adore this wine because the proportions are in balance, but everything is just kicked up a notch. Because of that, it's pretty much a dessert on its own, but it traditionally goes well with baked fruit, with cheese, with nuts. But it's just so incredible, dancing on the tongue. It's unctuous, but it's vibrant.
Enjoy it. Cheers.
Cheers.